What kind of Python magic does dir perform with underscore underscore get at underscore underscore? The following is in Python 2.7 with MySQLDB 1.2.3. I needed a class wrapper to add some attributes to objects which didn't support it, classes with underscore underscore slots underscore underscore and or some class written in C, so I came out with something like this. I was expecting that the dir built-in called on my instance of wrapper should have returned just the names inherited by object plus wrapped underscore obj, and I discovered that this is actually the case for most cases, but not for all. I tried this with a custom old style class, a custom new style class, and some built-in classes. It always worked this way. The only exception that I found is when the wrap object was an instance of the class underscore mysql.connection. In this case, dir on my object happens to know also all the method names attached to the wrapped connection object. I read in the Python documentation about dir, and this behavior appears to be legit. Dir is supposed to return a list of interesting names, not the real content of the instance. But I really can't figure how it does this. It actually understands the implementation of my underscore underscore get at underscore underscore and resolves to the attached item. If this is true, why only with that connection class and not, for instance, with a simpler dict? Here is some pasted code as an example of this curious behavior.
There are two deprecated attributes in Python 2, object.__members__ and object.__methods__. These were aimed at supporting dir on extension types, C-defined objects. Object__methods__ deprecated since version 2.2. Use the built-in function dir to get a list of an object's attributes. This attribute is no longer available. Object__members__ deprecated since version 2.2. Use the built-in function dir to get a list of an object's attributes. This attribute is no longer available. These were removed from Python 3, but because your connection object, at least in the older version you are using, still provides a __methods__ attribute that is found through your __get__ hook and used by dir here. If you add a print statement to the __get__ method, you'll see the attributes being accessed. For new style objects, the newer __dir__ method supported by dir is properly looked up on the type only, so you don't see that being accessed here. The project history file suggests the attributes were removed in the Big Python 3 compatibility update for 1.2.4 beta 1.